It is 4:30 in the morning. It's been a couple days since I have posted a video. Since I did my goals, I think it was I told you all about my goals and showed you my tracker for Refresh Your Stash 2026. Here we are, it's 2026. I hope everybody had a good new year. I am back at work, so I'm limited on time, as we all are, but I wanted to show you what I'm working on for Refresh Your Stash. Just this morning, I thought I'll take a moment and just every day or whatever days I want to come on here, just show you what I'm working on. And then I wanted to also share with you that of my Christmas whips that I was working on, I think I showed you 4. But out of those 4, I finished 3 of them. Yeah, well, wait, let me just retrack for a second. I was working on Snowman Believe, Santa's List, Magical Christmas, A Berry Merry Christmas, or Berry Merry Christmas. And I also had a 5th one. Yeah, Poinsettia Pixie. I don't know if I showed it to you all or not, but anyhow, of those 5, I finished Snowman Believe and Santa's List and Berry Merry Christmas. And I still have Magical Christmas and Poinsettia Pixie to finish, which just went into my whip rotation for 2026. So I will show you those finished canvases in my 4th quarter of 2025 review, which I need to film. I haven't filmed yet, but I'm going to, and I'll show that to you. And because I do quarterly reviews, I don't think I'm gonna do I'll do a yearly review, but in a separate video, but I don't think I'm gonna pull out every canvas, because you can just go back to my quarterly reviews and see my finishes, but I'll give you totals. So anyway, let's move to the canvas that I'm working on today for the Refresh Your Stash 2026. Be right back. Okay, so it is still January the 8th, and I had every intention of sitting here and diamond painting with you all this morning when I woke up at, I don't remember what time I said it was, but I ended up spending my time organizing my spreadsheet of purchases between 2025 and current to get accurate numbers. And I also played with a software program called OBS my husband told me about, where I can videotape myself and my internet browser. And I'm thinking that I would like to just take you all on a literal journey with me and show you how my stash fluctuates constantly, because I did my fluctuating stash video and I thought, you know what I'd like to do? I'd like to show them what I have purchased since January, even in December, which ones are boxes I'm still waiting for, how many I have in my stash currently, how many I purchased total since I've known about Diamond Art Club, how many did I sell, how many have I gifted. But anyway, but I'm at work now. I work remote. And so I just took a lunch break. I did do some diamond painting, but I was getting caught up on some events that I'm in. Not really event. I don't know how you want to call them. It's the Jenna, Queen of Diamonds, her detox for whips, because I currently have 21 that I need to get through. I'm not doing it the exact same way that she's doing it, but you don't have to. You can do it however you want. But I did join to be incentivized on decreasing my whip stash. Like, I want to get that number from 21 down lower and not have, I don't think it's going to be hard. I don't even want to commit. Anyway, I just joined it anyhow. So I spent some time this morning there just responding to people's comments on posts, my posts, because I posted all 21 of my canvases that I'm working on. Check it out. It's Queen of Diamonds Detox 2026. Yeah, I think that's it. Or you can go to her channel, Queen of Diamonds, and she'll tell you exactly where it is. Also, I'm doing Diamond Paintings with Friends 2.0 Facebook group with Laura, and there are 2 events going on in January. One is mystery and one is stained glass. They don't give prizes. There aren't a bunch of sponsors that I know of that I've seen. There may be, but I haven't seen them. Anyway, you just paint along with friends and they do some fun things. So like for the mystery paint along, Scarlett, I believe is her name. I watched her video during my lunch. So anyway, instead of me recording a whip and chat or whatever I was going to do this morning, I'm already like a squirrel on another path. So no method to my madness, which I think I've told you before in the past, but I have to get back to work. So it is now like 1:40, and so I took from 12:30 to 1:30 lunch and watched Jenna's video, Queen of Diamonds, and then I watched Scarlett, who's doing the one activity for the mystery paint along, and I need to post my photo to that group because I haven't yet, and hopefully next week I'll be able to answer all the mystery questions. Anyway, it's just fun. It's going to be fun, and I'm going to just share it with you all. And right now, let me just show you what I was working on. I'm just going to give you a quick, because I know I had said that I was going to do in my December 31st video, you know, my goals or whatever, I mentioned them. I said that I was going to kit up Lovebird Lodge, and that was going to be the first kit that I worked on for Refresh Your Stash 2026. Well, I did lay down a couple on Lovebird Lodge. I kitted it up and I laid down a couple drills on that this week. But the oldest kit in my stash is Wolf Dreamcatcher, and I started that one, but that's not on my table right now. This is just how I go. I mean, I rotate through them. So today, what's the flavor for today? It is Make-A-Wish Take a Bite. Let me just show you real quick just how far I've gotten with that, just to give you the quick skinny on it. I can't flip the camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is Make-A-Wish Take a Bite. I'm starting at the bottom, and I will put up a picture of what it looks like in the screen, the full canvas. But it's an older canvas with older drills. I even ordered new black drills for it, but these from another company, Diamonds USA, something like that. I'll let you know later. But this is as much as I did, okay? I just did a little bit. And all the black was already completed before lunch. I had done that before. But anyway, so this was released in 2020. Wolf Dreamcatcher was released in 2019. So I'm going to be working on those two in addition to my other 20-some whips. Anyway, okay, let's go back to me. Okay, so that's just a little update on why I didn't come back right away this morning. I have to get some work done. If I can record before my husband gets home, I will, but I'm catching up from being off for 2 weeks over the holiday. So I know I have some boxes. I got 3 notifications from Diamond Art Club about shipments on their way, and I'm hoping to give you an update on those soon. I'd like to do those unboxings with you all. I think it's 2, 4, 6, because I got 3 and I never buy just one. I buy 2, so 2, 4, 6 kits. Plus I'm waiting on the mystery box 17 from Christmas Eve. Okay, I could just go on and on. I'm a spaz, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to come back later, or I'll share those with you tomorrow. I'm going to get out of here, get some work done, and I'll see you all in a few. Hey, I'm back. It's still January the 8th, and I've been working for a couple hours, and I'm like, I needed a snack. Peanut butter filled pretzels
I was thinking of something I wanted to tell you all. It's interesting how that works. As you get older, things just are there and then poof, they're gone. Look! So those are the storage containers. These little guys that I'm using. And they hang. See these little things? I like them because then I don't have to always pour drills. So anyway, I'm going to show you right now. I have, let me see, can you see? I have a quiet evening and secret garden. So these are kitted up. They have drills in them. And what we did was we put magnets on the back. And then I can leave them here. And then when I go to diamond paint, I take them down, take them in the other room with me. There was something else I was going to tell you about that, but I don't remember what it was because it was here and now it's gone. And these are my finishes for the fourth quarter. Let's see, how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I finished 7 in the fourth quarter, but we'll come back and look at those. 1, 2, 3 are pretty tiny. The biggest one was the goddess Para from the one with the diamond art. Oh, and as soon as I get to 500 subscribers, this is what it's been opened because I checked the contents. Giving away. This is my giveaway. Mystery Kit Fantasy by Cheryl Baker. If you're interested in it, comment down below. I'm keeping a tab of everybody who comments down below. Your name will go in a wheel. And as soon as I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to put everyone's name in a wheel. And then I'm going to spin it. And I'll do it live, or I'll do it so that you can see. And then whoever wins, I will announce it in that moment, and they just need to reach out to me with their address and I will send this kit to them. If you're in the United States, I will pay for shipping. If you're outside of the United States, if you're willing to pay for shipping, whatever it's going to cost to get it to you, I can let you know how much it's going to weigh, what the cost will be. If you're willing to pay for it, then you can have an opportunity to win it. Okay, so I better get back to work, but that was a nice break. And oh, I know, I may insert, I did a time lapse of me completing this one. Let me show you. So I completed Snowman Believe, but I didn't do a time lapse on that. And I completed, they're hanging in my living room, Santa's list. So I'm gonna insert a time lapse of me working on Santa's list. And I'll catch up with you soon. Bye. Good morning. It is Friday, January the 9th. The time is 5:41 a.m. I've taken a shower, fed the dogs,
My husband is even in the shower right now getting ready for work. I needed to record this because my husband is never up this early and heading to work. Don't know what's going on in the universe, but okay. I am about to watch the Principal Painter and Lisette's Crafts and Tells do a collaboration together regarding Refresh Your Stash 2026. So I'm going to watch that YouTube video, and I'm going to start my mystery kit 101. It's Nature Animals by Peggy Collins, and it was in my Cyber Monday mystery box. So I already showed it to you in an unboxing video. So I'm going to lay down some drills and may do a time lapse just to show you. I'm going to try to do one square of a mystery kit. Now, if you know me and my diamond painting, I never do one section at a time. I'm all over the place because I do it by color. But because this is a mystery kit, I'm hoping maybe I can stay in the section area. Anyway, I don't know what's going to happen. Let's find out. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm back, and it is still Friday, January the 9th, and it is now about 8:15. It took me 2 hours exactly to do that section on the mystery kit, and I counted how many different colors were in that first section, and I counted 24. So that was an interesting experiment. I have never done a mystery kit before. I actually enjoyed the process very much, and it's a good thing because I believe that I have 2 other mystery kits in my stash, but one of them is a Cheryl Baker that I will be gifting away on my channel once I reach 500 subscribers. So if you're interested in that kit, please leave a comment down below. The other thing I was gonna say was, so this was the first time I have another mystery kit in my stash. So I'm thankful now that I purchased this one and the other one, and I look forward to finishing this one eventually. But now I have to get to work, so I will see you all soon, and don't forget to join me tomorrow. I have an unboxing. I'm gonna put that video up. Hopefully, it may not come out until Sunday. Look for it Sunday. If it doesn't happen Sunday, then Sunday or Monday, I'll do an unboxing video. I have a box coming from Diamond Art Club tomorrow, a delivery, so I'm super excited. I think it's new release, yes. And I'm still waiting on my mystery box 17, which has, I think it's 17, the Christmas Eve mystery box. I don't know, that one hasn't shipped yet. Still, I know some have already received it, and I saw some images of it in the Facebook group, but I'm hoping that I don't get those that I've seen so far. But we'll see. You know, it's always the luck of the draw when you do those mystery boxes. But okay, so unless I have something else today, I will see you all soon. Bye.